Computer. Hey guys, so what's the topic we're going to discuss today?
So today we're going to discuss discount points and loan origination fees, what they are and how they differ and when they can be charged.
Okay, so if I'm getting a mortgage, is it likely that I might pay both loan origination and discount points?
I don't know if it's likely, but it's certainly possible. And that's what we're going to talk about. It just depends on if you're wanting to buy down your interest rate or if you're happy with the rate that you've been quoted. And chances are you will be paying that loan origination fee though.
Yeah, origination fee, what is the bank trying to do? They're trying to recover money. What was the cost to make the loan? So they're going to charge you a fee so they can cover those administrative costs, because we all want to make sure that the bank makes lots and lots of money.
And they certainly want to make sure. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. And then discount points, it's not always going to be on every loan. I don't know about your experiences, but I find that people that are trying to borrow at the ceiling for what their income will allow, because banks look at debt to income ratios. Right. And I really do feel that the amount of debt you carry impacts the decisions that you can make. And especially if you have lots of debt, then in order to buy the house that you want to purchase, you might have to buy down the rate to buy down your payment, right? In order to qualify. So both loan origination fees and discount points can be charged.
They can.
On a loan. And really, you should look at whether or not
it makes sense for your transaction, right?
Right. Because
So both of them can be charged. They're not always both charged. You typically will see loan origination in virtually every transaction that involves a lender.
Right.
The discount points is the optional one based on personal preference, and if you do want to buy down that interest rate.
Well, because the discount points are sunk cost. If I refinance my mortgage or I sell my house in a couple of years, I lose that money.
Right.
The bank does not refund it. And basically what you're doing, you're prepaying that interest for the life of the loan.
That's exactly what discount points are. They are prepaid interest.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, you're so smart.
Wow. I'm just happy with myself. Yeah, that's great. I think, how did I find that out? I think it was because I was looking at the the pre-licensed math book, right? Yeah. So this book would help me know how to calculate. If I turn to page 25, I would know how to calculate points and yield and all those sorts of things. Right. And wow, there's some practice problems in there.
Yeah, and it's actually pretty easy to calculate. So if you check on page 25, you'll be able to practice how to calculate both loan origination and discount points. We have plenty of practice for you so that you can be prepared for your testing.
Okay, excellent. Where do they find that book?
They can find that book on 3wiseteachers.com.
3wiseteachers.com.
Yep,
that's
the
great.
number 3, or you can spell it out.
Okay, all right, great. Well, if you guys have other questions, topics that you want us to cover, we are open to hearing from you. So what we'd like you to do is, comment on our Facebook page, send us an email, whatever the case may be, and let us know what are the topics that you're struggling with. We know that there's so much that you have to go over when you're sitting for the exam, and we are really highlighting the things that statistically we found people really struggle with. Right. But we want to hear from you, and so hopefully we'll have an opportunity to do that.
Yeah.
All right, great.
Thanks.